Hi everyone. In this video, I would like to go quickly over how you can clean the data with using replace and find and replace. Although I have a video that I showed you that you can use an if statement to replace text with numbers. So you can use the if statement function in Excel, or you can use the VLOOKUP or HLOOKUP. And the last option, which I actually cover it later in the data mining videos, and I can share that video with you as well. But for this video, when you are using the find and replace, it is a little bit risky, but you have to do it in a clever way. So let me show you how I would do it. So I'll just download this file from here. So when I download it, this is what I get. So I have a lot of strongly agree, strongly disagree. Sometimes if you don't do it carefully, you might make some mistakes and it might be costly. So I'll paste this guy. So I'll paste it here, and then I will go to the data and let's click on remove duplicates. So let's click OK, and let's remove this guy. All right, so now strongly disagree is 1, disagree is 2, neutral is 3, agree is 4, and the ranking for strongly agree is 5, right? So now I can just sort this guy in a ascending or ascending way. So now I have my codes ready for me. So the best way to do it is you start with, so this one first, and then this one second for find and replace, and then this one third. Then it doesn't matter which one you go after. So let's say this is fourth, and then this guy is fifth in the order for find and replace, right? So for me, I will just select this guy. So strongly agree, and then I will come here, Control A, Control, or I can just go to find and replace, find from here, Control F, so find, and then I'm just gonna paste what, and then strongly disagree was 1. So just be careful because it needs really attention to details, especially those steps. So all, so it changed more than 1,000 cases for me. Now let's go to the next one. So the second one is, or the second, again, this is the second that I need to do, is strongly agree. I'll come here, strongly agree, and strongly agree. What is the code for it is 5. So this is what I will do. Come here, replace all. So now I'm done with that guy. So the second, the third is the disagree. So I'll just copy it, and its code is 2. So disagree, and then replace it with 2, and replace all. Right, and then I will do the fourth one, which is agree. Because if you didn't do it in this order, you might get some trouble, and some of you might have already tried it and you figured it out. So agree is number 4. So replace all, and then for neutral is the 5th one, and its code is 3. So I'll just say here neutral and then 3, and replace all. So that's all that you need to know. I mean, that hopefully can help with coding. Now all of those numbers are ready for us, and then we can